Yo, what up, baby? It's your boy and Flo. I got a good old prank right now, baby, on my wife. I just finished jogging. Woo! I just finished jogging like at least about 40 minutes.
Really, nigga?
Woo! Let me catch my breath. Woo! Yo, I got a good old prank. I'm gonna tell my wife I don't feel good. I've been coughing all day. I'm gonna cough up some blood on her ass. I want y'all to give me some comments about this reaction. She might be going crazy. Like, babe, what the fuck? I told you don't be running like that. 40 minutes too damn long. Bitch, I'm grown. I do what I want to do. But I'm trying to get her reaction when I start coughing up this blood. You feel me? Give me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Give me like 500 likes. You dig? It's your boy, Ant Flo, man. Holla. Peace. Whew. Sam, you up?
Yeah.
Whew. I did a major run, yo.
You went to the gym?
Huh? Nah, I was running in the street with the camera like this.
Cold?
Huh?
Cold?
Yeah, it's kind of cold out there. OD. OD cold. But I think I ran too fucking long. I've been coughing since I left. And now I'm running and shit. So what's up to the camera and shit?
Hey guys, how are you guys? Go subscribe to my channel, Smith Mafia. You guys probably already know, but I'm gonna keep saying that each and every video. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Just I've been running too fucking long, man. I'm running shit is no joke.
Maybe you should sit down and drink some water instead of keep walking around.
Yeah, I know. Maybe so. I don't know. Woo! What's up, gang? It's your boy, Ant Flo.
You want me to get you some water?
Let me feel. Oh, man. And my beautiful girl. She making her some pizzas. Mad early, too.
Yeah.
Mad early.
But I want pizza, though.
Word. Mad early, for real.
My pizza's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That's all you did was run?
Hmm?
That's all you did was run?
Yeah. I ran.
Yo, can you sit
I
down?
did little squats. Shit like that.
Can you sit down?
Huh?
Sit down. Why you keep walking around? The more you walk around, the more you gonna cough.
I know. I need some fucking water. Thank you.
You want me to get you some?
Good.
And you still walking around. Babe. Babe. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. What the hell? You alright? Babe.
I think I need some water.
Alright. Babe, just don't move, okay? Don't move, okay?
I think I need some water.
Okay, don't move, don't move. What the hell?
I think I need some water, yo. Oh my God. Go down one, please.
The frost. Well, huh? You're gonna need your Gatorade. Huh? Babe. Babe. You need to stay there. What's wrong? If you was having trouble breathing, why didn't you stop?
I
Babe.
Okay. Oh.
sit down.
Why didn't you stop? Babe, come on, sit up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sit up.
I think I need my pump.
Babe, come on, alright, but you have to sit up. You can't take your pump laying down. Babe.
Take my lungs.
Get up. We gotta go to the hospital. Oh. Babe. Okay, you know what? I'm calling 911. I'm gonna call 911.
I can't feel my legs, my chest.
Alright, can you sit up?
My heart.
Can you sit up though?
I think it's my heart murmur.
Okay, sit up.
Yeah, call 911.
Get up.
Call 911.
Come on. Sit up.
You're choking me more.
So get up.
Choking me.
Up. You gotta sit up.
You're a bad person. Yo.
Okay, I got your Gatorade. See?
I don't need that. I need no more.
Okay, I'm. Once you get up, I have to get Nike dressed. Then. Come on. I don't know why you didn't stop. Why didn't you stop running? Anthony, why didn't you stop running? Hello?
You need to cool down.
Can you sit up? I swear. Come on. You're burning up. I'm on the phone with them, okay? Hello? Hello? I'm on the phone with them.
Please.
Hello? Yes, I need an ambulance right now. 108 42 171st place? Yes, 108th Avenue, 109th, hurry up. We need an ambulance. My husband's coughing up blood. He's on the floor. He's not responding to me. Babe. Babe.
I did a run.
He ran, he worked out outside and was running outside. I don't know why he didn't stop, and then he came home, said that he couldn't breathe. Then he's coughing up blood. Anthony! Sit up! Please, we need an ambulance. Okay. Okay. They're coming, okay? Come on, sit up. Come on. I can't lift you. Hello? Anthony! Anthony! Oh my goodness. Anthony! What the hell's going on with you? Anthony! Please! Please! Anthony! Can you get up, please? Hello? Anthony! Okay, EMS is here. Come on.
What?
Come on.
What?
You gotta sit up. Come on.
Guess what?
Come on.
It's a prank.
What is that? Don't touch me.
Hey, I got it good. You look good face.
much or you play too much?
You was
What
nervous.
is that?
How your heart feel?
Go wash your mouth.
How your heart feel though? Huh? How your heart feel?
What is that?
Let me feel your heart. Let me feel your heart.
No.
Look at all that fake ass blood.
What is that?
You scared for your heart. Oh, your heart racing. Oh, I got her
What
again,
is
y'all.
that? I'm asking you a question. What is
Oh shit. Huh?
What is that?
Don't worry about it. It's my prank.
And why does it smell like fruit punch?
I don't know. It might be too much. Yo, I got it good. Shoot that blood. Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Someone call 911.
You didn't even respond.
Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Yo.
You okay, Nike? You woke up my son. That's gross.
That look like real blood though. I got her good. Woo! Give me some comments about her reaction, bro. I got her good. Give me like 500 likes on this prank. 500 likes. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
No, don't do none of that.
When I'm up, it's up and it's stuck. I
Don't
got
do
her
none of
good though, yo. Look at her face. Call 911. Call 911. Hey, baby.
Don't
want it. Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
Don't say hi to him.
Why not?
He don't want to say hi.
Check on your pizza.
I turned it on already.
That's some nasty ass stuff I got in my mouth.
Why does it smell like fruit punch?
I don't know.
And you staying in the floor.
Oh my God. Yo, you see me? That shit is horrible. That stuff is nasty. I swear to God. But yo,
It's a little crazy.
she was scared as hell. Oh my soul. Anthony, wake up, Anthony. I got her scared, man. Her heart was racing, right? Her heart was racing. She mad. Go hit me on my private. She mad as hell, y'all.
You play too
We go
much.
check on her pizza.
My pizza's done. Don't worry about my pizza.
I don't want none of that fake shit. Your pizza black and burnt.
No, it's not.
Not black that pizza is. Yeah. She was shook as hell, y'all. It
My
was mad
pizza's
early.
black.
It was mad early. I had to come up with this prank. Hey, that's the only way I could have did it.
And guess what? I ain't editing.
You don't have to edit anything.
Jack.
I can edit.
You don't know how?
I do know how to edit.
Whatever.
Yeah, she's mad now. She's mad. How you felt though about that? Be honest, how you felt?
Corny.
How was corny? You was scared, be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how you felt? Be honest.
You don't do stuff like that to people. Because I literally thought something was wrong with you. Look at that. You coughed all this up first, but that looks like that came out your gums.
Straight blood. But how you felt
But
though?
it smelled like my heart was like boom, 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 boom.
Racing and shit?
Yeah.
Oh, you love me?
Yeah, I do.
See that, y'all? That's why I love YouTube. Pranks is like, let me see how you explain pranks. Pranks is something that you can do and see where your significant other, you know, how that person feel. It could be a man or a woman. See how he or she feel. You feel what I'm saying? This is the reason why I love YouTube. You feel what I'm saying? So please, 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 subscribe to my channel.
No.
Hit the notification
No.
bell. You know what I'm dropping a main girl.
Yeah, that's what
Woo!
happened.
Bangers. But yo, you already know it's your boy. And who is your
Girl.
Oh, she's still mad. Look at her face. She's still mad. Oh, baby. You was really scared. Give me a kiss. Give me kissy. Give me kissy. Spit on her.
Okay, watch this.
Yo, we be having so much fun in here. I be fucking her up. The other kid is in school. So I don't know. You going to get him? I'm going to get him.
You gonna get him?
I'm going to get him. Hell no, I should finish running. Seriously. Why you can't go get him? You don't feel like it? Oh, you want to eat, chill, go back to
I
bed?
have a headache. I feel nauseous.
Oh, you have to eat. That's all. But anyway, look at my baby. Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi, Nike. Just woke up. Say hi, Red. Hi. Hi. Got her good. Booyah. Peace. Holla.